All right, Josephine said, if you do ask expansive questions, but your gut instinct is always to want to help others, is that still codependency? You never want others to feel pain. Josephine, listen, can I tell you, I still feel the same way. When we change our behavior to healthier behavior, my gut instinct, when I see someone I love in pain, is still to immediately want to fix it. But because I do not have disordered emotional boundaries anymore, I don't take that action. I ask expansive questions. I support them. Right? Yes, exactly, Jenny. Reprogramming ourselves is crucial, she said, and it's a fact. So what I'm saying, though, is that even if your instinct may stay the same, I'm never going to want to see anyone in pain. Not people I know, not people I don't know, right? That's just, as an empath, this is just, we don't want anyone to be in pain. That's just how we are in the world. The point is, you can not be codependent and still have that feeling. You can still have the desire, but the difference is, as you do this work over time, it is a desire and not a compulsion, because you actually have the power to not take that action. Right? What do we do when you become a boundary boss? Is that you are creating choices in your life, behavioral choices, things that you can do differently.